Hello dear students, in this class I will explain you Python operators. Practically I will show you how operators are Python is used. So let's open the Python ideally. For that I will open the Python ideally. Aptoid Python. Now see, this is the Python ideally I have opened so that you can easily understand. Right. So first Python operators is plus. How plus operator will work in Python? This is arithmetic operator. So as you will use plus operator in your mathematics, in the same way it is used in Python. 10 plus 20 30, 23 plus 5 28, right? Same as you will use in your mathematics. Now can you guess what is the answer? 10 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6. The answer is 23. In the same way, you can use as many times plus operators in your Python program. Now see what is the answer? 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40. The answer will be 100. Okay. So this is all about the plus operator. Very simple. In the same way, the next arithmetic operator is minus. Okay. Now how the minus we will use? 30 minus 10. The answer is 20. Very simple. 2 minus 1. The answer is 1. The same way 30 minus 15. What is the answer? 15. Okay. 20 minus 30. Now what is the answer I will get? If I subtract 20 minus 30, the answer is minus 10. Now see, you will get the answer as minus 10. Okay. So this is all about the minus operator. Now the next operator is multiply. It also same as at its work in your mathematics. So just 5 into 6. What is the answer? 30, right? 7 into 9. Sorry, is 7 into 9. What is the answer? 7 nines are 63. 9 into, one moment, 3 into 6 into 2. We can apply as many of multiples operator in Python. Now what is the answer? 36. 2 into 2 to 2 into 2. Can you guess what is the answer? 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, right? So this is multiply operator, that is same, it works same as it works in Python. Now next one, divide operator, division operator, right? Suppose 4 divide by 2. What is the answer you will get? 2.0. Okay. If I divide 8 divide by 4, what is the answer I will get? 2.0. 10 divided by 5, what is the answer I will get? 2.0. In this time you get the answer is floating point. Okay. So you should always remember that when you divide the numbers in Python, the result will be in the form of float value. The data type is float 2.0. It will not 2. Okay. If I ask you a question, suppose 10 divided by 2, what will be the answer in Python? 5 or 5.0? This 5.0 is your float value, float data type, and this 5 is int value. Okay. So what is the answer? The answer will be 5.0. So that is float value. Fine. Now check it. 10 divided by 2. The answer is 5.0. Okay. Now check it. One more example. Suppose if I divide 100 divided by 3. The answer is 33.3. Right. Suppose if I write 10 divided by 3. It also 3.33 is the answer. 90 divided by 4. 22.5. Okay. It will give the float value. So I think these operators which I have explained to you, plus or minus, like or division, all this operator is clear to you. Now there are some more operator. Which one is very most important? That is new for you. Whatever I have explained to you, that is not new for you. You know, you practice in your mathematics. Okay. This operator is known as division, integer division or floor division. Sometimes it is called the floor division or integer division. Fine. If I say floor division or integer division, then I am talking about what is the name? Floor division, right? Plus, minus, multiply, floor divide. Now understand how this floor division will work. Suppose if I divide 10, 10, what is the answer? 0.3. Now if I am going to divide 10 whole divide 3, when I divide 10 whole divide 3, for this I have to use the 2 times backslash. Then the answer will be, it will give the int value. Okay, there I am getting 3.33. Here you are getting the int value, right? I am going to take one more example so that you can understand. Suppose 100 divided by 3. What is the answer? 33.3. This is normal division. If I use the operator whole division, divide by 3, the answer I will get, can you guess? Will be only 33, right? See what is the answer? Only 33. Get it? This is normal division operator and this is full division operator, which we will get the int value. In this case we are getting the float value. Don't worry, I will give you some more examples so that you have the clear idea about it. Now 10 divided by 4. What is the answer? 2.5. But when I divide by 10, 4 division 4. What is the answer I will get only? Can you think? The answer will be, the answer will be 2. Okay. So the next one is, now I think you have the clear idea about that. Now can you guess what is the answer? 14 floor division 3. Correct answer is 4. Plus 14 normal division 3. The correct answer is 4 point something. But when I divide 14 floor division 3, we will get only 4. This is the floor division operator, which will give answer in the form of only int value. Only int. I take one more example. Suppose 15 floor division 2. What is the answer? Can you guess? The answer will be 7. Okay. So this is the floor division operator used in Python. 18 floor division 3. Yes. Can you guess? What is the answer? The answer will be 5. Int value, it will give the int value. If I divide 16 divided by 3, I will get 5 point something. But if I divide 16 whole division, answer will be 5 only. 5 only. It will give the int value, right? So this is operator called your whole division. Operator is known as whole division. Now the next operator I am going to explain you, that is modulus. This one is whole division. Now the next one is, this operator is known as in Python modulus. This percentage means modulus. Okay. Now understand how this operator will work. It will give the remainder value. Now 10 percentage 3. What is the answer? When you divide by 10, when you divide by 10 by 3, will give the, this operator will give, this operator will give the remainder value, modulus operator. I divide 14 modulus 4. In this case, now practice, if I divide 14 by 4, what is the remainder I will get? What is the remainder? 2 is the remainder. 2 is the remainder. This operator will give the remainder. Now one more example. 15 modulus 3. What is the answer? In this case, there is no remainder. Remainder is 0. Now see the 4 percentage 2. What is the answer? 0. Because if we divide 4 by 2, the remainder is 0. Now take for modulus operator 4. What is the answer? Will give the remainder value. Okay. In modulus 5. What is the answer? 1. Because the remainder is 1. Okay. If you have any problem, take copy and pen and divide. What is the remainder value? This or operator will give that value. Next, I try big divide by 4. Can you guess what is the remainder value? Will be. So this is all about the Python operators I have access. I think all and every point is clear to you. If you have any doubt in the Python, the Zoom class, I will explain you. Thank you everyone.